Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Dear student, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss about Section 5. Section 5 is about adaptation mechanism in fisheries sector in the respect of climate change. It is important to overcome the negative impact of climate change on fish biodiversity and production. Otherwise, environmental balance will be destroyed and our food security will be seriously threatened. We need to take steps to adapt to the changing environment to overcome the negative impact of climate change. For this purpose, following adaptation techniques can be undertaken. Number 1. Though salinity is increasing in coastal region due to climatic change, steps should be taken to produce saline tolerant fish and fries like vetki, bata, parshi, etc. Number 2. The water body where salinity is increasing, shrimp and crab can be cultured. Drought prone area where there is low rainfall, big fries can be cultivated in the temporary water. For this reason, big fries should be stocked in the locality. Tilapia is much more drought tolerant fish. Koi and deshi magur can also be cultivated in drought prone regions. In flood prone areas or where there is more rainfall, the banks of the pond should be raised or surrounded by net so that flood water cannot enter into the pond or pond fishes cannot go away. By raising bank of the ponds in flood prone areas, society based fish fry bank can be established. Fries can be stocked in that pond when there is flood in that area. In flood prone areas, fish can be cultivated in cage during flood. If coastal areas are immersed by water after breaking, the groiny stagnant water can be utilized by fish culture with proper planning. Fish culture in cage and culture of crab in the affected areas. It is due to gradually increasing temperature of environment, temperature tolerant fish cultivation and production of their fries can be carried out. For example, magur, rui, shing, etc. If pond water becomes warm due to increasing temperature, topa hyacinth can be kept on bamboo frame making in few specific locations. Thus, fish can take shelter under topa hyacinth to protect itself from warmth. For maintaining same purpose, some creeper plants can be given opportunity for grow on water nearer to bank of pond. Roaming area for sea fish is changing due to climatic changes. Consequently, new movement areas would be identified so that no negative influence falls on fishing and livelihood of the fishermen. For this, modern research and survey can be conducted and used. Section 6. Section 6, title of the Section 6 is Effect of Climate Change on Livestock and Poultry. Global temperature and destruction of environment caused by human being is one of the reasons for climate change. Our country is regularly affected by different natural disasters. The disasters hit different countries regularly due to climatic change. Livestock and poultry are greatly affected by various natural diseases like tsunami, sea cyclone, tornado, flood, and drought. For this reason, farm owner or farmers do not get economic benefit. For recovering this loss to some extent, several steps should be taken during and after the disaster. Considering the fact of natural disaster in Bangladesh, protection and awareness should be raised up against sea cyclone, tornado, flood, drought, mountain rain, excessive rainfall, etc. By this time, Shal forest of Borendro region, Panitola and Nojipur forest of Rajshahi have been extinct. As a result, extreme drought prevails in this region. Except re-establishment of these forest areas, law of environment should be activated immediately for planning for coastal forestation, extension of forestation of uncategorized forest area in Chattogram hill tracts, rescue and redredging of country rivers and canals, and protection of all kinds of hills. Along with social forestation in our country, trees should be planted in large scale. These are long-term permanent system if steps are taken for implementation of these matters. Livestock of our country can be protected from natural disaster caused by climatic change. Various ways of evaluation of livestock caused by climate change are described below. Drought related problems which are observed during drought. Number 1, scarcity of green grass. Number 2, water is polluted. Number 3, cattle suffer from malnutrition. Number 4, cattle are affected by different diseases. Dryness of field grasses. External parasitic infection increases on the animal body. Excessive heat creates intolerable situation for birds, reducing the health condition including changes of death. Heat stress causes death of broiler and layer. Flood related problem. The problems which are observed during flooding. Number 1, water logging is created. Number 2, maximum areas of country go underwater. Outbreak of diseases. Cattle feed is not available. Water is polluted. Problem in maturing livestock is created. Cattle suffer from malnutrition. Infestation of different infectious diseases and attack of worms are increased. Toxicity generates in gases. Cattle become sick. Environment become unhygienic. Many animals die. Problem related to tidal wave. the problems which are observed during tidal wave. Water is polluted in tidal wave affected area. Many livestock and animals die immediately after tidal wave and storm. Dead birds pollute environment in want of burial. A scarcity of animal feed due to affection of diarrhea, stomach illness and bloating, many animals die. Now I am going to discuss about adaptation mechanism in livestock for the perspective of climate change. Adaptation involves the technique to adapt of a species with its environment. It should be remembered that adaptation process is accompanied in animal body. Animal adaptation is controlled by environmental weather and climate. So adaptation depends on environmental temperature, humidity, wind blowing and its properties, height of the place from the sea level and physical structure and physical condition of the animal. Animal can survive by facing those properties of adaptation. It is the normal phenomenon of nature. Human being can protect themselves by their knowledge if suddenly massive climate change occurs, but livestock and poultry cannot adapt in such a situation. Livestock and poultry are helpless and gentle animals. Many of them are able to adapt with the environment if the climate changes is occurred slowly. Many species may also extinct due to inability to adapt the environment. People's help is required for animal adaptation in unfavorable and adverse environment. More emphasis should be given to solve the problem of drought, flood and tsunami. Techniques for protection of livestock in drought. Cultivation of different tree leaves including jackfruit, epilipil, babla should be increased and their tree leaves should be fed to animal. Boiled rice, liquid kitchen wash, rice polish, wheat bran, pulse bran, oil cake, molasses should be given to the cattle in sufficient amount during drought. Vaccines of contagious disease should be given to livestock in regular basis. Supplementary feed of green grass should be the fed to cattle. Silage and hay should be prepared before coming of drought so that this can be provided to livestock during drought. Instead of providing only dry straw, urea treated straw and urea molasses block can be provided to cattle. Sufficient concentrated feed should be provided to cattle. Clean sufficient water should be provided. Washing of animal should be maintained. Animal's body should be kept neat and clean and treatment should be done for parasites. Animal should be kept in shady place free from heavy sunlight. Treatment for sick animal should be carried out according to doctor's suggestion. Techniques for protection of livestock in flood related problems. Number 1, animal should be kept as high and dry place as possible. Clean water should be provided to livestock and polluted water of the flood cannot be provided to them. Dead body of livestock should be buried. During flood, straw, rice polish, bran and oil cake should be supplied to the cattle as feed. Water hyacinth, dal grass, herb, shrub, even banana tree may also be provided to cattle in the time. Hay and silage can be provided as the replacement of green grass. Various varieties of grass seed can be sprayed on the fallow land after flood water goes down. Vaccines for contagious disease have to be applied and deworming medicines can be provided. Treatment is to be infected animal according to doctor's advice. Techniques for protecting livestock for facing tidal waves related problem. Sea tidal waves in coastal areas is a big natural disaster. It may damage the livestock to a great extent by hitting on sea coastal areas in any time of the year. Vast sea coastal area and islands of our country are affected by the tidal waves. So following works should be carried out to protect livestock from deworming and from devouring tidal waves. Number 1. Housing for livestock should be made in high land. Number 2. Livestock are kept in high shelter immediately after getting signal of tsunami or storm. Number 3. Dead animals are to be buried after tsunami. Number 4. In that time, boiled rice liquid, rice gruel, dry straw and concentrated feed can be provided to livestock. Concentrated feed like bran, rice polish, oil cake and required amount of salt need to be provided to livestock. Various tree leaves can be provided to cattle in place of green grass. Treatment of animal should be carried out by making team in the tsunami affected area. Vaccines for contagious diseases are to be provided to cattle regularly. Care should be taken so that livestock may not be affected by disease after taking rotten and polluted water. This is all about today's class. Thanks for watching this video.